Welcome to this quick start for Genero Intelligence. In the next few minutes, you'll connect Genero Intelligence to VS Code and use it to build a simple Hello World application using Genero BDL. Before we start, make sure you have two things: a Genero Intelligence account and VS Code installed. That's it. Let's get going. Start at the Genero Intelligence Partner portal. Open your browser and go to partner.generointelligence.ai. Log in with your Genero Intelligence credentials. Once you're in, click on the AI Agent Setup tab and select VS Code. Take a moment to read through the instructions on this page. They are your reference guide and cover everything you need for your specific setup. In this video, we'll walk through the steps together, but we recommend keeping this page open alongside you as you go. Switch to VS Code. Before connecting, do a quick check, open the model picker, and confirm you can see AI models listed. If the list is empty, sign in to VS Code with your GitHub account. Now let's connect the Genero Intelligence MCP server. Open the command palette with Ctrl-Shift-P or Command-Shift-P on Mac. Type mcp:/add server and enter. Choose HTTP as the server type. Then enter the Genero Intelligence server URL. You'll find this on the AI Agent Setup page in the Partner portal. A default name is generated. I'm going to change mine to my Genero Intelligence server. Press Enter to confirm. VS Code opens a browser sign-in prompt. Use the same email and password you use for the Partner portal. Once the browser confirms authentication, return to VS Code. Let's confirm everything is connected. In your VS Code extensions, under MCP servers installed, you will be able to see your server and see it's already started for you. Now let's add the agent instructions. Ask the Copilot directly. Use the Get Agent Instructions tool to get the Copilot instructions and save them to github/copilotinstructions.md. Copilot calls the MCP server and creates the file automatically. Alternatively, you can download the file directly from our partner portal and copy it to your .github folder. Now let me show you what's inside. You'll see a section marked with the Genero canonical start and end. Do not delete anything between those markers. That block is what tells the agent to always call the Genero MCP service before working with BDL code. If you want to add your own project-specific instructions, add them after the canonical end marker right here. Now ask the agent, are you connected to the Genero Intelligence MCP server? A working response will confirm the connection and list the available tools. This will tell you the server is active and ready. Setup is done. Let's build a Hello World application. In Copilot chat, write a Genero application that opens a form displaying the text Hello World. Include a menu statement that allows user to exit the application. This is a GUI application. The agent produces a Genero BDL program ready to compile. Review the code before compiling to make sure it meets your requirements. Then you're ready to go. Now let's compile and run it without leaving the chat. Ask Copilot to do it for you. There's your Hello World application, built and run from a single conversation using Genero Intelligence to generate correct, ready-to-run Genero BDL code. That's the VS Code quick start for Genero Intelligence. You've connected the MCP server, grounded your agent with Genero BDL knowledge, and built your first application. Now, head back to the Partner portal to explore your usage stats and browse the documentation assistant. If you need help, you can submit a support request directly from the Partner portal. Simply fill in the subject, add a description, and click Submit. Thanks for watching.